You've probably been looking for a market that's simple to analyze. In this video, I'll show you how to break down the highest scoring half first half so you can boost your bankroll like a professional. So we'll obviously be focusing on the Italian Serie A and we'll be making an example using the following teams, which are AC Milan vs Napoli. So yeah, guys, taking the last 5 matches on 23, 10, 29, we can see that our market did not work in this match. Our market did not work. Because here it be saying the highest scoring half in the first half. So here you can see that the highest scoring half was equal. Because if you check, right, the first half, right? 2 goals were scored the first half, and again Napoli did score the other 2 the second half. Because here you can see AC Milan did score 2 goals the first half, and the second half 2 goals were scored by Napoli. So it was an equal. It was equal. So here you can see our market did not work, but let's not lose hope because we're not sure what's gonna happen the next match. Maybe might win. So yeah, moving on the next match on 24/02/11, we can see that our market did work, guys. Our market did work in a very good way. Our market did work, even though it did work right now, but it worked. That's the point. So here you can see that AC Milan did score 1 goal while Napoli scored no goal. So yeah, we are obviously focusing on the first half. High scoring half is the first half. So here you can see that AC Milan did score 1 goal the first half and no goal was scored the second half. It's still that 1 goal of AC Milan. So here you can see that our market did work. Even though Napoli could win or Inter could win, we are still gonna win on our bet as long as the high scoring half is the first half but not the second half or equal. As long as it's the first half, they score no goals the first half, we win our bet, guys. We win. We just win and get our money back and be a profitable sports bet. So yeah, moving on the second match, on another match on 24/10/29, we can see that our market did work. Our market did work again. Our market did work here because Napoli did win the match and the high scoring half was the first half. And yeah, also the most teams to score low could work, but it's not consistent. So we're obviously gonna be focusing on the one of which we're talking about, the high scoring half first half. Because you can see Napoli did score 2 goals the first half and no goal was scored the second half. It's still those 2 goals of Napoli. So the high scoring half was the first half, guys. The high scoring half was the first half. We can all see that with our own 2 eyes. So moving on the next match on 25/03/30, we can all see that our market did work here. So someone might be confused, or most of you might be confused, because yeah, AC Milan did score another goal the second half, but we all know that the highest scoring half was the first half. Because if you check, right, Napoli did score 2 goals and still that 2 goals the second half. No goal was scored again by Napoli. Only that 2 goals which was scored the first half, and AC Milan did score 1. So the highest was obviously the first half, right? The highest was obviously the first half, because here you can see that Napoli did score 2 goals the first half, while AC Milan did score 1 goal the second. So our market did work, guys. Our market did work. It worked. And what I like about this market is that sometimes it has higher odds depending on which team or which option you're taking, but it gives you higher odds. No, it gives you higher odds because sometimes it's unpredictable. But yeah, as you're analyzing, right, you can see that our market worked 3 times in the last 5 matches here. It's been working, right, in a very good way. It's getting good, I like this market. Let's move on the next match. last match on 25/09/28, we can all see that our market did work again, guys. Our market did work again. We see that like our market did work. Like check here, AC Milan did score 2 goals in the first half, and the second goal, only one goal was scored by Napoli. We see that like only one goal. So the highest scoring half is basically the first half, because only one goal was scored the second half. In the first half, 2 goals were scored, so the highest is the first half. So our market did work here. Our market did work, because you can see AC Milan scored the 2 goals the first half, while Napoli scored 1, and the market did work. So yeah, guys, as you're analyzing, we can all see that our market did work 4 times in the last 5 matches. 4, not 2, not 1, but 4 times. Not 3, but 4 times in the last 5 matches. 4 times, and that's very good, even though it didn't work once, but it's good. 4 or 5, it's a good option. So yeah, guys, do not forget, when you analyze, you should always check the last 5 matches of the both teams, how they were performing. Were they scoring many goals? Were they doing the both teams to score? Did they draw how many times in the last 5 matches, or lost or won? Like those type of things. And the table should check whether the team is below or above, like things like that. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.